4 years ago, when I was thinking about my future profession, and it was my last year of studies at the university, and I didn't know what to do with my life. But then randomly, after volunteering for a few years in Southeast Asia, then I interviewed with a local journalist. They invited me for an interview, and it was the very first time when I saw in my life journalists. And then I heard the first time investigative journalism, this term, and I asked, what is investigative means, investigative journalism? And they told me that it's first of all, it is about human rights and it about corruption. And I said, oh, I love it. I want to tell about one case when suspicious investors came to our country. I asked my first question when I read that news, that who they are, what kind of investors. And I did simple research, and I found that actually that company was about the bankruptcy, and how the company who provided annual reports with $50,000 incomes or loss can invest to our economy more than $1 billion. They won that contract without any public tender. And after 1 month, our government, they stopped the contract with that company just because I showed evidence. And whatever you do, doesn't matter. In journalism, it's investigation or just simple reporting news, or you are saving lives and working in a hospital. If you will do it professionally, you always will fight against corruption.